Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Zoom app and signing in so meetings connect to your identity. Once installed, open Zoom and choose Email, Google, Apple, or your company SSO. This keeps calendars and settings synced. Grant camera and microphone permissions immediately so you don't scramble during a call. Make sure notifications are enabled for meeting reminders. Now that your account and permissions are set, you're ready to schedule or join your first meeting without delay. Once signed in, join a meeting by tapping a link, entering the meeting ID, or accepting a host invite from the waiting room. Test audio and video using the in-call controls. Switch between front and back cameras and select speaker or wired Bluetooth output. Make sure to mute when entering large groups. Use gallery view to see everyone in speaker view to focus on the active speaker. Also enable live captions or request cloud recording. When needed to present, tap share and select screen, file, or whiteboard. Toggle share device audio if playing sound. If recording, pick cloud storage if your account allows or local recording when available. Stop and save at the end to keep a copy. When the meeting ends, leave or end for all as host. If something breaks, first restart the app, then switch Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa, and confirm camera/mic permissions in phone settings. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.